Are you that one Salesforce admin who works with an organization where the HR team always complains about that they miss to wish their employees on their birthdays? Then you don't have to worry. You have landed at the right place. Hello and welcome to Longswitch Academy. This is our code or like what I say practical demo series on Salesforce platform where we walk you through the solutions that we are building on top of Salesforce. This is before I forget, let me introduce myself. This is your host Shubham Prajapati, and I welcome you to the Longswitch Academy. So, as part of one of the automation for the agency management project that we are developing, we came across a request where the admin team or where the HR team asked that they want certain automation into the portal, which automatically sends birthday emails to their employees. So to cater that requirement, what we did, we created a scheduled triggered flow. You know what, when you know the platform very well, you know which tool to use to satisfy a particular requirement. And here we thought for such automation the scheduled triggered flow would be best. You wonder why we made that decision, because this email alert should be sent automatically on a on a day which happens to be a birthday for some of the one or some of the employees of the company, right? So what we wanted to do, we wanted to run it every day just to check whether that particular day is uh, being someone's birthday in the team. So what we did, we scheduled it to run every day, and then we just decided based on the employee's birth date which is available in the system to decide whether today is that particular employee's birthday or not. I'll quickly walk you through the setup that we did. So what we did, we first scheduled it to run at 8 a.m. every day, starting from August 27. Then what we did, when this trigger or when this flow runs, we are querying all the employees whose birthday falls on that particular day. Since it runs every day, it checks, it takes that particular day as a today, and then we try to query all the employee records which has their birthday on that particular day. Then what we are doing, we are looping through those records here in the get element. Just before I proceed, it is a simple math that we did based on the day and month of the birthday. Because you see here we took we used a formula field to get the day out of the date of birth and the month out of the date of birth. Because in today's date we will get something like, for example, today is September 2, so it will be date will be like September 2 2024. But if someone is our employee, he will not be born on he is not born on 2024. So we just need to check the day and month on which that person is born, and if that is matching with the current dates day and month, then we are considering that employee as a candidate for the birthday wishes. That's what we did. Then we are looping through all those records, and we are assigning that particular employee's email address to the recipient, because that employee will receive the greetings from the HR team. Then we use standard send email alert action from the flow to send the email alert, where we configured basic birthday body and the recipient collection that we had set previously. And we have also set up the subject for body here, here birthday email body, and where birthday email subject, we have used the variables to store the values. I'll quickly show you that as well. I'll go to this element, and this is birthday email body, where we took a text template to showcase or to render the birthday wishes or greetings. And here, this is a basic template that organization required. You can put your own custom birthday email template that you wish to use, and that's how it is. Here we, since we are sending it for all the employees who is having their birthday today, we use this loop variable to just dynamically render the name of the employee. Then that's what it is. If in case there is an error in sending the birthday wishes, we are sending the error email alert to the user, to the current user who is running this flow. Okay, and here is a simple error message. Now, just for the testing purpose, I had this sample employee record with me called Noshil, and whose birthday I set it to like September, what I say here, I set it to September 2 1997, which means if I run this flow, it should take this employee as into consideration, because this employee has its birthday on today. So let's run it. I'll debug this flow. Yeah, I'll save it. Then I'll debug this flow. I'll run it. And you see, it fetched the record, looped through them, sent the email. While sending the email, there is no error. Here also you can check the debug logs. It got the record, successfully found the record. Then it looped through all those matched record, then added that emails, what I say, that employee's email address to the recipient. This was it, longswitch.teammate06. Then it sent the email with the template and subject. You see, happy birthday from Longswitch team. It emptied the collection, then loop ended, and it finished. So now let's go and check the mailbox for this user, whether he actually received that or not. And you see, here it got. Okay, here you got the employee received the email that this is the birthday email subject, happy birthday from Longswitch team, and this is the birthday wishes template. So with this automation, you can truly save a lot of time of your HR team. They don't have to manually manage the birthdays or manage the birthday greetings for their employees, and it can save their life. They can be to utilize their free time in more productive way. I hope you like this thing. Do let us know in the comment section below what you feel about it, and what are the other areas in the agency management system where we can leverage the automation through Salesforce flows. Until next time, this is your host Shubham Prajapati. I'm bidding you a goodbye. Keep learning and keep growing with Longswitch Academy. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, do subscribe to it now, and happy learning. Thank you. Doing